All right. Well, it's been raining the past couple of days, which got rid of the snow, makes seeing things a little bit easier. Um, but now I'm going to try and clean up the area where the risers will sit against the concrete. So I got to clean the mud, scrape it off, scrub it off to make sure that as much concrete is exposed as possible. That way, when I put the sealant on the bottom of the risers, they will stick appropriately. So, yeah. I'll give you guys a quick look at the what I was able to clean off so far. All right, so you can see the concrete actually it's cleaning off nicely. It's a little wet, so I'm gonna leave this uncovered for a little while. But it's cleaning off nicely. Looking at the concrete and the state of it, everything looks fine, so I might actually go ahead and install the Tapcon screws that are suggested by the manufacturer of the Tough Tight riser system.